Welcome to VIP Auto TV. This is the channel where we dive deep into the world of unique, fascinating, and inspiring vehicles from around the globe. Whether you're a gearhead, an adventurer, or someone who simply loves the beauty of engineering, you're in the right place. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications because we're about to embark on an incredible journey with some of the most extraordinary machines ever created. Today's feature: the Kenworth Motor Home. Today, we're exploring a vehicle that combines rugged durability, timeless design, and the ultimate in luxury travel. The Kenworth Motor Home. This is not just an RV. It's a masterpiece built on the foundation of a heavy-duty Kenworth truck. With unparalleled capabilities and a striking appearance, this motorhome stands out as a one-of-a-kind home on wheels. Kenworth, a legacy of power and performance. Kenworth is a brand long synonymous with reliability and performance. Known for their powerful semi-trucks, they have been a staple in the trucking industry for decades. But what happens when you take that robust engineering and transform it into a luxury motorhome? You get a vehicle that's built for both adventure and comfort, no matter where the road takes you. Exterior: bold and commanding presence. The first thing you'll notice about the Kenworth Motor Home is its sheer size and presence. This is no average RV. It's built on a heavy-duty chassis designed to handle long hauls and tough terrains. The exterior often features sleek custom paint jobs, massive storage compartments, cutting-edge lighting systems. This is a vehicle designed to make a statement, whether cruising down the highway or parked at a campsite. Powerful engine, built for the long haul. At the heart of this beast is a high-performance diesel engine, such as Cummins X15 or Packard MX13. These engines are engineered for efficiency and power, providing the torque needed to handle steep inclines, heavy loads, long-distance travel. With this kind of power, you can even tow extra equipment like ATVs or a boat, without breaking a sweat. Interior: a blend of luxury and functionality. Step inside, and you'll quickly see what truly sets the Kenworth Motor Home apart. The interior is designed with a perfect mix of luxury and practicality, featuring high-quality leather seating, hardwood floors, state-of-the-art appliances, spacious living areas with large windows for natural light. The fully equipped kitchen includes refrigerator, microwave, stove, even a dishwasher. The bedroom offers maximum comfort, often featuring a king or queen-sized bed, ample closet space, a flat-screen TV, and let's not forget the luxurious bathroom, often rivaling those found in high-end apartments, with a full shower, premium fixtures, plenty of storage, smart technology, and off-grid capabilities. One of the most impressive aspects of the Kenworth Motor Home is its advanced technology, which includes smart home integration, control lighting, temperature, and entertainment via touchscreen or voice commands, solar panels and advanced battery systems, allowing for extended off-grid living, off-road exploration, built for adventure. For those who love adventure, this motorhome is equipped to handle off-road exploration, thanks to its heavy-duty suspension, powerful drivetrain. You can take it to remote locations where most RVs wouldn't dare to go, whether it's national parks, deserts, or mountain trails. The ultimate freedom machine. The Kenworth Motor Home isn't just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle. It's for people who value freedom, adventure, and the finer things in life. Imagine waking up to breathtaking views, traveling at your own pace, never compromising on comfort or convenience. What do you think? Is the Kenworth Motor Home your dream vehicle? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to VIP Auto TV for more deep dives into the world's most incredible machines. See you in the next video.